For 20 years, I built websites and got them to the top of Google. I still own about 50 of them. That's a skill that is fast depreciating now. And I'm transitioning all of my websites to a new build. Here's the search that proves why I'm doing it. Broken garage door spring, what does it cost? Can I fix it myself? There's a price range, a parts breakdown, and a safety warning. And a little bit further on, businesses who can actually come out. Now count the websites that I have to visit. None. Not one. That's now more than half of Google searches. And that number will increase dramatically over the next 6 to 24 months. But websites are not being switched off. Google still has to get its answers from somewhere, and that somewhere is still websites. What has changed is who's reading them. It used to be a person. Now it's a machine. So there are actually 3 things that decide whether you and your website get mentioned. All 3 things are things that you write down, not things you build. That answer had a price because somebody wrote it down and published it. If you publish no price, there is nothing to quote. So the machine quotes somebody else. Now the objection. I'm not putting my prices online. My competitors will see them. Fair, you don't have to. Nobody needs your full price list yet. Right now, a range is enough. And that range actually makes you look more credible, not less. It's the ones with no numbers that people and the machines scroll past. The blueprint below has all 6 steps with what to write for each one. Number 2, be reachable. Your hot water goes at 6 on Sunday morning. You say, find me a licensed plumber who covers my suburb, can come today and tell me the call-out fee. That's not a search, that's an instruction. And Google's been trialing a feature that rings the business on your behalf. So you need one of 2 things for the future. Either people can book you without speaking to a human, or your phone gets answered every time. Now this one's your job. Every real question that you've been asked in the last 30 years is worth more than anything that you could invent. Think of the 80-20 rule. There will be 20 questions that you get asked as a business owner with 30 years experience that deliver 80% of your business. That needs to go onto your website. Only somebody who's actually done it can answer it. Generic advice helps nobody. A real question with a real answer is the whole thing now. And here's where it's going. Google built something called Gemini Spark. It doesn't just answer you, it goes and gets things done while you get on with something else. So soon it isn't you asking, it's a machine that's asking on your behalf, and it needs a straight answer. What you do, what you cost, where you work, and when you're free. Your website isn't going anywhere, it just stops being the thing. You need to encode your website correctly now. The blueprint's below. I'm Jim Kennedy. We'll see you in the next video.